If Taco Tuesday had a healthier and easier upgrade, this would be it. And wait until you see the low-carb version. Let's start by making a fresh avocado pico de gallo. Add cherry tomatoes, jalapeno, fresh coriander, and avocado to a bowl. Mix everything together with fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt and pepper. Then pop it into the fridge while we prepare the filling. Now season your diced chicken thighs with olive oil and Mexican taco seasoning, mixing well until every piece is coated. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat, add the chicken, and cook until it's nicely browned and almost cooked through. Next, add the sliced red onion and minced garlic. Cook for another 2 minutes until the onion softens and the garlic becomes fragrant. Now stir in the diced tomatoes, sweet corn, tomato paste, light cream cheese, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let everything cook until the filling becomes thick and creamy. For the classic version, gently press mini flour tortillas into a muffin tray to create little taco cups. Add a small layer of shredded cheese to the bottom, spoon in the chicken filling, then finish with a little more cheese on top. For the low-carb version, simply slice the tops off your capsicums, remove the seeds, season with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then pre-bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until they start to soften. Fill the capsicums the same way, with a little cheese, the chicken mixture, and another layer of cheese. Bake until the cheese is melted and golden, then finish with the chilled avocado pico de gallo and a dollop of sour cream. Which version are you making first?